Browse and track shipments. You can browse and track your shipments using links located on the Quick Links screen and in the Browse menu. All of your shipments are displayed in order of date, starting with the most recent. Each shipment has a tracking link. Click on the link to view the tracking information for the selected shipment. You can view the associated shipment invoice by clicking the invoice number link. Shipments can be filtered on any column or combination of columns. Enter parameters to filter your shipments for the desired results.